The Islamabad High Court has deferred contempt proceedings against PTI Chief Imran Khan after he expressed the willingness to apologize to Additional District and Sessions Judge Zeba Chaudhry. The Islamabad High Court had initiated contempt proceedings against Imran over his diatribe against Judge Chaudhry, who had approved PTI leader Shahbaz Gill's physical remand in a sedition case. After the previous hearing, the Islamabad High Court had termed the PTI chief's revised response in the case as unsatisfactory and decided to indict him today. The court observed that in his statement today, Imran said that he may have crossed a red line. The order went on that the PTI chief had promised never to do anything in the future that would hurt the dignity of the judiciary and especially the lower judiciary. In view of Imran's response, the court said that it was satisfied with the apology rendered by the respondent. The hearing was subsequently adjourned till 3rd October, with the court directing the PTI chief to submit an affidavit within a week. According to a statement issued by the Ministry of National Food Security and Research, the World Bank will provide Pakistan with $22.2 million in financial support for the rehabilitation of flood-affected farmers. The announcement was made during a meeting between World Bank's South Asia Regional Director and Sustainable Development, John A. Room, and Federal Minister for National Food Security and Research, Tariq Bashir Chima, while discussing the rehabilitation and relief efforts in flood-hit areas with reference to farmer community and food security. He said the bank will support the rehabilitation of the farming community in flood-affected districts through the Locust Emergency and Food Security Project of the World Bank. Room said he will also request the World Bank Group Board to increase support for Pakistan to recover from the devastation caused by unprecedented floods. The Foreign Office has categorically rejected reports of a Pakistani delegation visiting Israel, clarifying that there was no change in the country's policy on the subject. According to Foreign Office spokesperson Asim Iftikhar Ahmed, the reported visit in question was organized by a foreign non-government organization which is not based in Pakistan. The statement comes a day after several foreign media outlets reported that a Pakistani delegation, including a former government minister, met Israeli Foreign Ministry officials in Jerusalem. According to a report, the trip organizers said that the delegation included representatives from the American Muslims and Multi-Faith Women's Empowerment Council and Sharaka, a US-based non-government group founded in the wake of the Abraham Accords, which was brokered by the Trump administration in 2020 and normalized relations between Israel and 4 Arab countries, the UAE, Bahrain, Sudan and Morocco. It also quoted the head of the delegation, Naseem Ashraf, as quoting that the delegation was visiting Jerusalem to promote interfaith harmony. Minister for Law Azam Nazir Tarar has rejected criticism over the Transgender Persons Act, saying that some friends had created a misconception that the law had opened doors for homosexuality and was repugnant to Islamic injunctions. The National Assembly had enacted the Transgender Persons Act in 2018 to provide legal recognition to transgender persons and ensure that discrimination against transgender persons in various walks of life shall be punishable. The law was made after the Supreme Court held on 25 September 2012 that eunuchs were entitled to all the rights guaranteed by the Constitution and enjoyed by other members of society. However, recently the bill was opposed by some sections of society. At a press conference on Wednesday, JUI chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman said that it was against Islamic injunctions. Meanwhile, PPP's Qamar Zaman Kaira said that the categorization of gender in the law was, if anything, a way forward.